Hello everyone, today I would like to show you my way how to install the spark plugs in an easy way. All you need to have is a hose. It's a 5mm oil and petrol hose, and of course a new spark plug. Here we have a CR8 EKB, sorry. So what we need to do, we need to, wait, give me a second. We need to take a spark plug, connect with the hose, like that. And then we need to just, like that. Need to put it into the socket here. It's hard to see anything. Wait a second, like that maybe. Okay. Like that. Too many cables here. Can't see it. And then we just rotate like that. Hope you can see it. Of course we can do it not till the end, because there will be some kind of friction when we need to use the proper spanner for it, but just the initial turn-ins are quite nice and good.